Entschuldigt, Trevor. Je hebt dus gehoord dat ze dangerous zijn in groot gaan? Wat is dat weg?
Von wo wagt ihr in der Gasse, als ein Sturm, Beimer können fallen?
Ihr habt nicht Schmöde für einen Fall der Gebäude?
Hat betuchen einen Beschäfer?
No, what if a tree falls? What if a tree falls? Yeah, but if it falls on you, you have to be careful. No, you're not scared? What if Hashem throws a tree down?
Not on me.
But what if it's on you? You're not scared that a tree is gonna fall? No? You think they're overreacting on the TV? It's a storm in such a weather. Anything important? How you doing today? How you doing? How come you're out in the storm?
I'm the only one.
Can you tell me why you open today? The store's empty, nobody's shopping.
We're closing right away. Clean the machine, we're closing right away.
But why did you open the store?
Clean the machine. Make sure everything is nice and clean.
Tell me why you open today. Everybody's sleeping. Why is the store open?
Service for the Boro community.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Mr. Zinger, the store is leidig, du. Sagen wir mal, bevor du bist offen, als ein größer Sturm. Du kannst nicht verschreien, du.
The Toys R Us is offen, kein Gimmel. I mean, Toys for You, excuse me. Working.
Wo bist du offen, Hans, als ein größer Sturm draußen? Wo bist du offen, Hans?
No comment.
Why are you open today? Nobody's shopping.
Then we're gonna go home. What is this?
Mickey, why are you open today? I see the store is empty. Can you tell me why you're open today?
I don't know, right?
Tell me, why are you open today? Everybody's sleeping, why are you open? Go to sleep, bye-bye. Why are you open today? Everybody's sleeping. It's pouring outside, the storm. Why are you open?
To make your kids happy.
Tell me, why is the store open?
To sell global diet.
Because all the people they want to eat global cheesecake, diet cheesecake.
Is it fresh from... Wat bist du offen halten als ein Wetter?
Alles ist man auf, ne? Menschen auf das Essen. Grocery ist aber die einzigste Sache, die so macht jetzt das Argument.
Menschen...
Bräuchte gekommen, Milch habe ich allein gebringt, aber es ist doch gar nicht.